Hi everyone, it's Kino here. Welcome to this rest, recovery, and relaxation class focusing on tired legs. If you like this video, please leave me a comment, subscribe to my channel, and when you want to practice with me really deeply, head on over to Omstars.com. Let's get started in a comfortable seated position. Close the eyes. We'll bring the hands together. A long, deep breath in. As you exhale, let's softly open the eyes, release your hands, and we're going to start from a lying down position. So let's slowly roll the spine down. Take the feet a little bit wider than the hips and just roll gently down. All right, so we feel the sacrum on the ground, the knees gently spiraling in. And this is constructive rest position. Let's explore this space for a few breaths. Letting all the contact points that your body makes with the ground give a feeling of release. Feel the breath moving in, feel the breath moving out, and let everything else go. The eyes can close, and the mind can shift down gears, almost into a floaty space of relaxation and release. Then slowly bring both knees up into the chest, lightly holding on to either the knees or interlacing the fingers and just letting the thighs gently press against the torso, giving a little light rocking motion, a soothing motion to the nervous system. One more. Then inhale, let's straighten the legs. If you're close to a wall, you can put your feet up the wall, or we can just comfortably let the legs float in the air. Feeling the thigh bones settling into their sockets, letting the legs elevate with minimal risk, minimal effort. Notice any small kind of micro movements that indicate that some tension is releasing from the body. Stay here for a little while longer, releasing the neck a little bit as we're here. Keeping the mind calm, focused. Feel how the energy shifts in the body just from lifting the legs up, almost as though there's a natural recalibration of any of the tension that might be present in the feet, the ankles, the legs, any places of inflammation that might be present in the feet, the ankles, or the legs, or the knees. That inflammation is encouraged to decrease. Now, let's just bring a little movement in. We'll point the feet, flex the feet, point the feet, flex the feet, point the feet. One more time. Flex the feet. Let the feet be neutral. And bend the knees open this time. And now, happy baby pose. Holding on to either the outsides of the feet, or we can hold underneath the knees. Let the nervous system release, the body just be comfortable here. No fight, no forcefulness. Just allowing a sense of ease. Invite the breath to deepen just a little bit with the understanding that we don't need too much in order to encourage the body to come back to a neutral point. All we need to do is create the space without any pressure or forcefulness, And then the natural intelligence of the body will take over. Just a few more breaths here. And let's slowly bring the feet together and just lightly hold on to the feet, giving a little rocking motion from side to side, just to allow the feeling the hips are releasing and opening. A little motion where the feet come a little bit in, and then the feet release a little bit. Do that 2 more times, just lightly rolling through the sacrum, lightly releasing. That's good. Release. Come back to constructive rest position. Drop the knees towards each other. Let the mind and the body come into a balance point where the breath is equal, the mind is calm, and the body moves into a cycle of healing. Stretch out your arms and legs for a few moments. If you find yourself drifting off to a moment of sleep, that's totally okay. Let everything go. Then feeling a wave of awareness roll through the body, we'll slowly come back to constructive rest. And as you exhale, let's roll over onto the side. We'll come all the way back up, finding a comfortable seated position. Close the eyes, hands in prayer again. A long, deep breath in. As you exhale, let's softly open the eyes. Thank you so much for joining me on this practice. May you be happy, may you be peaceful, may you be filled with love.